Here are a couple of old rivet headers that I made a long while back and don't use very often. I've been using this setup to make my rivets of late. This has the advantage of accuracy, but with something like this, when you hit onto something else that's striking the hot metal, you lose some power. Today I want to finish out a smaller traveling style rivet header. I had this stock and the holes were already drilled. When I was at the machinist, I had him mill a groove in these pieces. Since the holes were already drilled, I figured if I forged it I would distort the hole, so having him machine it was just a lot easier. And I've got this rod to act as a handle. I just very slightly expand the hole on the top side. That will make expelling rivets a lot easier. And I put my GS on the top side so I won't forget which side is up. I want to wrap this piece with the rod, and as usual for projects like this, I'm just making it up as I go along. I need to give a shout out to two guys for their recent, very generous donations. They are Ron Thacker and John Sack. Thanks a lot, fellas, helping to keep the channel moving forward. So this piece can rotate, but it'll never come out. Now to figure out the handle end. So the loop end there opened up in a kind of odd way. I guess I could call this the twist, an unexpected journey. It ain't nothing that a few taps can't square away. So there it is, just that simple. And again, the purpose for this is to be lightweight and travel ready. By the way, I use 8mm for my rivets, and the hole is 8.1 millimeters. I'm a little out of practice doing these freehand, and so I have to do a few. So it really helps when you have a rivet header like this that you can rotate and adjust, turn this way and that way to make slight adjustments when you're making rivets. I have a tendency to pull on my hammer strokes like this, and so when I start a rivet, I intentionally push forward a little bit. And that way, any subsequent blows can hopefully straighten everything out. Again, it's just a lot easier to apply more force when you directly hit on the hot workpiece. Not perfect, but it'll do. I've been handling other tools in a similar way lately, and I think it's something that you might want to give a try. We've got a lot more fooling around to do.